ng langis guys, saka coolant and brake fluid. Saka brake fluid guys. Yung langis na lang. Sa guys, marami pa guys. Kasi nung nakaraan guys, sinik ko to nung nakaraan. Nandito lang guys, oh, kalahati. Kalahati nitong may ano, kalahati dito sa may level nya. Yung nakarang guys, nakarang linggo dinagdagan ko to ng langis guys eh. Kaya yan guys, sakto na yung langis na guys. Lang guys, no? Yan guys, check natin yung gulong. Laban. Goods. Goods. Guys. Ayun guys, paikotin natin yung bull drum, di umikot eh. Yan, umikot na yung bull drum guys. Kabila guys, check natin guys. Good. So guys, parang lagub-lug kayo guys, lagubo kayo. Ganyan guys. So ngayon guys, check natin yung diesel natin kung kailangan natin magpa-diesel, no? Para goods. So, tara guys, sakya tayo guys. Check natin yung diesel natin guys. Guys, and diesel natin guys, kalahati na lang guys, no? So, kailangan natin magpa guys, kailangan natin magpa diesel guys. Hanggang dito lang muna ang aking video guys, na tayo ay magpa diesel. So, hanggang dito lang yung video guys. Thank you for watching. Bagus.